In this section, I will demonstrate the configurations of attributes of system messages. Now I'm on the SAP system where I'm already on the display IMG screen. First, you need to navigate to the node material management. Scroll down. Now expand the node. Then we will look at the necessary configurations. So first, let us go to the environment data, expand it. We will start by looking at the define attributes of system messages. Execute it and then double click on system messages. This will take you to the screen where you can control the system messages and define whether they should be displayed as warnings or errors. For an example, let us take a message text. Alright, so let us take a message text that we have encountered when creating a request for quotations like can delivery date be met. So this is a predefined message by SAP as it appears as a warning by default. Now when this warning appears, as I mentioned earlier, that you can press enter to ignore it. However, if your business has a requirement that users should not be able to ignore this warning and instead must put an exact delivery date, then you can change this setting. Now how am I going to change this setting? By clicking on this category button. You have three options: no message, warning or error message. If I change it to error message, the system will no longer allow the user to ignore the message and they will be required to input an exact delivery date. Okay, right now the default setting is a warning. So this is how you can control the system message in SAP. Alright, so this is all about the attributes of system messages, and I will proceed to the next configuration. Thank you.